Namaste, Mahoday.
Namaste.
I think I'm talking on behalf of all those who have attended this course regularly, because this is the first course which I have attended without fail. All the classes I have attended without fail. That was because of mainly thanks to the way you have conducted the course, very patiently answering all the questions that came up, and pointing out all the tips and tricks that we should keep in mind for building up on our Sanskrit language skills. So I'm very thankful to you, and also to Vyoma for setting up this course, for all the people who have worked in the background to make this possible. My heartfelt thanks to you all. Thank you very much. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः. राम राम राम.